Hello, Gavin McCormack here, and welcome to this wonderful online education event invited to you by DeepHub, built for digital education. Now, my name is Gavin McCormack. I am a school teacher and I am the Montessori Australia Ambassador, and I have been teaching for around about 25 years in different countries and jurisdictions around the world, working in classrooms, curriculum, pedagogy, philosophy, and even government policy when it comes to best practice education. And there's one thing that I have become very clear upon over those 25 years, that the only constant in education is change. And if we are not changing, if we are not innovating, and we're not moving with the times, then we will be left behind, and ultimately our students will suffer the consequences of that. And today we are going to discuss all of the ways in which the wonderful innovations provided to us by DeepHub are going to revolutionize our classrooms and the way that we teach and deliver our lessons going into the future. But the question on so many people's lips is, how can we implement such technologies when the world is so diverse? We have different policies, different procedures, different governments, and different learning environments for our students. How can they all access such technologies and benefit from it? And that's where the DeepHub Smartboard comes into play, because it's such advanced technology. It has so many components, from the way it's used in the classroom, the way it's used in administration, the way it's used in terms of global outreach and global citizenship within our classrooms, allows our students to achieve those goals of changing the world and making it better. As governments, schools, policymakers and educational institutions scramble around the world to provide the best, most innovative practice for their students, they come to the common consensus that our students need to prepare for tomorrow, a tomorrow that we are yet to fully understand. But one of the fundamentals is that they have the core skills in place to be able to survive and thrive in tomorrow's world. Skills like communication, collaboration, time management, and proactive learning are extremely important if our students are going to be ready for tomorrow. Now, this is where the DeepHub Smart solution comes into play, because it not only allows our students to be proactive and innovative within their setting of their classroom, but they also have an opportunity to have outreach within their community and right across the planet using the innovative tools that is provided by this amazing piece of technology. And ultimately, it allows our students to achieve the number one and ultimate goal on everyone's lips around the world, and that is that our students get to change the world and make it better through the power of education and technology. Now, as we move into the future, we will see a growing need for technology, because the world is now a small place. The internet has connected us in a wonderful way. And how will we use the technology to benefit those situations? We will use it in a way where our students have agency, choice, freedom, accessibility to the wonderful tech that sits in our classrooms. And that will be fundamental to the way that our world is connected. If our students decide they want to take on some of the world's biggest problems in other countries around the world, even in other continents, this is where technology will step in, just like the DeepHub Smartboard, and will allow them to work collectively, not just in their classroom, not just in their school, but with schools all around the world. I will now hand over to the amazing Danny Potter, who will take on and explain to you exactly how you can integrate this into your classroom. Thank you.
Welcome back. Today, we'll be learning about the new DeepHub Education Series ST470, packed with multiple features for education, remote conferences, and team collaboration. Let's check it out. The DeepHub ST470 series now supports BYOD with its Type-C interface. No more fuss with multiple wires and adapters. Its removable camera provides easy online collaboration and built-in privacy with its manual privacy shutter. DeepHub Board is a tool that enables people to collaborate online in real time. It provides various templates and tools like sticky notes, voting, images, videos, and drawings to facilitate brainstorming, organizing, and discussions among users. With the AI Assistant, generate inspiring mind maps, flowcharts, and PowerPoint presentations to expedite your brainstorming process and aid in creating professional content. The DeepHub Canvas is an education software with rich online teaching resources and an extensive library of 3D objects, videos, simulations, and images for science, mathematics, language, and more. Bring your ideas to life with the Magic Pen feature, which can generate online images or videos based on what is drawn on the canvas. Overall, the Dahua DeepHub Education Series ST470 brings collaborative workspaces and classrooms to the next level. With cutting-edge features, it helps promote productivity, creativity, and innovation.